Example number quattro, adding polynomials. Let's go back to vocabulary real quick, back to example number 1 and 2. What is a polynomial? I feel like this is like Dora the Explorer, right? It means more than one term, right? So this is right here. This would be considered a polynomial, and this separately would be considered a polynomial. So that means we are adding polynomials because this is more than one term. This is two terms, and we're adding two terms. This could have also said adding two binomials because this is a binomial, and this is a binomial. Okay, I'm just a little nerd right there, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and add these bad boys together. Okay, so if we're going to add, again, they have to have the same base and the same exponent. So I see a p cubed there and a p cubed there. Okay, so we can add those together. Negative 5 plus 8, same thing as 8 minus 5. So that's 3p cubed. Okay, notice that we keep the base and we keep the exponent. And then we look at right here, we have a 6p squared and a negative 12p squared. So that's a minus 6p squared. Okay, we just 6 minus 12. Awesome. And we keep the p and the squared right there. All right, perfect. Now, you may also see problems written like this where they're stacked on top of each other. And you can add them like that too. Just add straight down. So if we were going to do that, I'll just put a line right here and just put a big plus sign because that's what we're doing right now. We're combining. By the way, when you say combined like terms, you could just say add to. Okay, putting the word subtract means totally different, and we're going to get to that in our next example. But if we were going to add these together or combine these, well, look, they both have the same base and they have the same exponent. That must be true before you combine like terms. So negative 6 plus 8 is a 2 r to the power 5. Cool beans. If you look right here, they both have r cubed. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So actually, we're not going to have anything right there. And then these both have r squares. Oh, but what number is right here? Even though we don't see it, it's the ghostly one. Ooh. So negative 1 plus 5 is a positive 4r to the power of 2. Bonus question. Can I add those together? Why or why not? If you're saying that we can't because they don't have the same exponent, you're correct right there. They must have the same base, good, so they have r, but they don't have the same exponent, 5 and 2. So that's how you know that we can stop.